In early recovery, it may feel like your relationship has become an awkward dance. One person stepping forward while the other pulls back, toes getting stepped on, the rhythm is all off. But these rhythms, daily, weekly, monthly, and annually, will begin to teach you a new choreography. They build trust, foster joy, and reawaken the intimacy that pain tried to erase. And if you keep practicing together through the clumsy, the boring, and the beautiful, you'll find yourselves moving again in harmony. Maybe not perfectly, maybe not always elegantly, but with intention, grace, and increasing ease, until hopefully one day you're not just surviving these steps and you're able to dance together again. I understand this may not be possible for everyone, and if you're early in recovery, there may be a part of you that thinks there's no way it'll ever happen, and honestly, I don't know. We're on this journey to figure it out. But the reality is, for some couples, they are able to weather this storm, and they do find an ability to reconnect, to rebuild trust, and to heal and restore their marriages. So, whether it's a slow waltz, a joyful swing, or a passionate tango, or maybe a clumsy one, the rhythm of your love can return, stronger, deeper, and even more beautiful than before. That's my hope, my prayer, and my affirmation for you is to do everything you possibly can to become the best version of yourself, and if possible, with your partner.